I want to start my YouTube channel. What camera should I buy? Should I buy the most expensive camera in the market for the best quality? Or an action camera for all the cool shots? Or a drone? It will be awesome. And obviously I will need to buy a nice mic. Let's buy a Rode microphone because everyone uses it. Guys, don't be that guy. Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to address a very simple topic but you guys have been asking me. Equipments you need to start a YouTube channel. Mind you, my answer is not going to change no matter what niche or niche you are in. So let's start with the video. You need just one device that's already in your pocket, your smartphone. It's better if you have an iPhone, but even if you have an Android phone, you don't need to buy a new one, especially to start a YouTube channel. A lot of people make this mistake of buying very expensive gadget even before starting a YouTube channel. And later they realize that even if they're buying a camera worth $5,000, it's not gonna do anything. A camera is just a piece of tech unless you know how to make content that's worth watching. Now you must be thinking it is so easy for him to say this because Fianchu might be using an iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's why he's saying that you should not buy a new phone. But guys, what if I tell you I'm not using an iPhone 14 Pro Max, or I'm not using iPhone 13 Pro Max or 12 Pro Max or 11 or 10 or 9, 8, 7, 6. That's right. Right now the video that you are watching, I'm shooting it from my iPhone 5s. I'm doing this experiment so that whatever excuse you're giving it to yourself that I need a new phone, only then I will be able to shoot videos. Right now this very clip is being shot by a phone that is 10 years old. And I don't think that the quality is that bad. I want to show you how my iPhone actually holds when it comes to real life performance. So right now we are in the mall. In fact, we are in a supermarket. But I do not think that the video quality will be of any concern because 50% of your video is your audio. So right now I'm using my iPhone 12 Pro Max front camera. So we are not worried about the video quality as such. But I'm using an external microphone from Rode. I'm also going to switch to iPhone's built-in microphone. So this is the built-in microphone from iPhone 12 Pro without editing. So guys, can you hear me? I'm going to go far away. Can you hear me? So see, I don't think that you'll be able to hear my voice. And the difference that I'm going to show you. So back to Rode's microphone. If you still feel the need to upgrade your game, you have two options. One is a cheaper version. So I would suggest you to buy a Boya microphone that would cost you somewhere around $10 to $12. It's a wired microphone. You can use it for your home vlogging. And if the budget is not a concern, then I would suggest you to buy Rode Wireless Go. That's an amazing mic. I think it's going to solve all your problems. You can literally walk away from your phone and it's going to capture everything. Let me just give you a demo. And now I'm going to use my Rode Wireless Go mic. The difference here is that no matter how far I go, you're going to hear me crystal clear. See, there's no disturbance. I can go this far and you'll still be able to hear me all loud and clear. For example, if I want to show a product like this, I can literally talk about this. So this is something that you get when you spend money on a wireless mic. I think it's totally worth it. If you think that you have reached to a level, then I would suggest you to buy it. So this is the $10-12 solution that I was talking about. So this is Boya's mic and you can actually be a little far away from your phone, but it's still attached with a wire. So it is not that professional. It is not that convenient as well. So just to give you a cheaper solution, that's why I'm showing you this. But I still use this microphone whenever I have to record or dub something. But it is not for the malls or anything of that sort. See, I can go far away. And if I actually untangle this wire, then I can go a little more far away. But again, you can see this is not going to work.
Oh,
so if you want,
you look so handsome.
Thank you. But in the video,
in the real life, is more better than this one.
Okay, thank you. So if you want to see that how to create a YouTube channel,
Okay,
for beginners, step by step, watch the entire thing.
so good.
Yeah.
I found the right person.
See, whenever you vlog and people see you while vlogging, they're going to approach you and then you gain one more subscriber just like that. So now we got to know that you do not need a specific iPhone or a very special equipment to record a video. And if you're not using any microphone, then you can actually enhance the audio that was captured through the built-in microphone while editing. But are these smartphones any good when we are talking about nighttime shooting? Let's see how my iPhone performs at night. See, it's not that bad. I'm just using a street lamp right now and still you can see me. So if you have a vlogging channel or a travel channel without spending extra money, you can use your smartphone's front camera and still capture the essence around you and still make the video. So this is not impossible. If you want to take it to one notch higher, then I would request you to switch to your back camera. So this is the back camera without flash. Let me switch on the flash first. And now I'm using my iPhone 12 Pro Max back camera, the primary lens with the flash, and you can see the difference. Just by using your smartphone's flash at night, it actually makes huge difference. Trust me, your wide angle lens would be a savior for you if you have a friend with you, you guys are talking, you guys are walking, and or if you want to record a bunch of people at night, just turn on the flash and switch to your wide angle lens. It's gonna help you a lot, but it's gonna take some practice for you to understand that what angle you need to maintain so that you can actually come in the frame by using a back camera, because right now I cannot see the screen, but it's absolutely doable. Just keep on practicing. So let's make the day bright again. As a content creator who has made over 800 plus videos and I have more than 100,000 subscribers, I can vouch this for sure that first you actually need to focus on your content rather than the tech part. First, get in a habit of creating content, making videos, editing them, and then think, do you really need that tech? And once you find the answer, then buy all the tech you need. When I was in your spot, I used to think all the time that what if I buy Insta360, I will take my videos to another level. What if I have the latest Sony camera, which I have right now, I will take my videos to another level. But trust me, that's all the tech. You actually need to work on those things that you cannot buy, like your confidence, like your public speaking skills, like your skill to speak in front of a camera. Those are the things that you need to focus in the beginning of your journey. And once you have 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 subscribers and you and your subscribers feel it together that you really need to upgrade your tech game, then buy stuff, then invest in your YouTube journey. No gadget in the world is actually going to help you create content unless you can actually create it. But still, I will be providing all the product links in the description so that you know how I make my YouTube videos, what tech I use. And when you decide what stage you are on, then you can buy stuff. I genuinely do not mean to demotivate anyone here. I'm just sharing my experience, the mistakes that we have done in the past, the mistakes that I know creators who have more than 500,000 subscribers, they have done because I'm friends with them. And I also know people who have literally spent like thousands of dollars for buying stuff, buying the cameras and everything, but they haven't made a single video yet. They always thought that the camera is going to actually help them, but later they realize, no, they actually need to work on the editing part, the script part, speaking in front of the camera part. And last but not the least, if you like this video, guys, do not forget to hit on the like button. It will actually help the channel to grow. If you have any questions, please feel free to put it in the comments. If you want to learn more, then consider subscribing the channel, and you can also click on the bell icon because I am not very active on this channel. So whenever I post a video, you will get a notification. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Fianshu Sharma.